Hello everyone, most welcome to the session. So now I have planned a series of sessions where I'll be giving you the most important questions related to physics and chemistry. Okay, so as a part of that, the very first question which I have taken is indicators of acids and bases, which is a part of your chapter 3. Okay, so based on this question, you can either get a part B or you will be asked a very short answer, or in short answer basically they are giving this question as a case based question. Okay, so I will tell you how are the questions asked and what is the actual concept behind this. So most probably you may get a case based question based on this topic, so 4 marks. So it's our responsibility that we learn this question perfectly. So let's begin the session. But before that, I just want you all to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and just comment and let me know if this series will be useful to you or not. And do share this to all your friends. So let's begin. So we are going to learn the indicators of acids and bases. What is the meaning of indicators? Indicators are nothing but they are going to tell you, okay, indicate you whether the given substance is an acid or a base. Okay. For example, I'm giving you some white powder. Okay, so I'm asking you to tell whether it is a salt or a sugar. Right. So just by looking at the powder, you cannot just judge whether it's a salt or sugar. So you will conduct some test on it to in order to confirm whether it is a salt or a sugar. Okay, assuming sugar is also in the powdered form. Clear. So now, what is the test which we conduct? It's one simple test. We just taste it and say whether it is a salt or a sugar. Okay, that is a simple basic understanding of indicator. We are going to tell whether it is a salt or sugar by just testing it. So our testing is nothing but our indicators. Okay, but here we cannot test an acid or a base just like that, isn't it? It's not so simple. So it's harmful as well. So what do? We use something else to check whether the given substance is an acid or base. So what is that something else? Those are called indicators. Okay, they will indicate you whether the given substance is acid or base. So now let me tell you how do they indicate you. Okay, so firstly, the first indicator is methyl orange. Okay, so what is methyl orange? It's an indicator. Okay, so it will tell you whether the given substance is an acid or a base. Okay, for example, I have a particular substance given to me. This is a substance given to me, and I am adding methyl orange to this substance. Okay, so I have added methyl orange to this substance. So this methyl orange will do something here. Okay, it will bring out some changes here to tell me whether this particular substance is an acid or a base. Okay, so what changes does it does? So suppose if this methyl orange changes the substance into red in color. Okay, suppose if methyl orange changes this particular substance into red in color, then that indicates that the given substance is an acid. Or this, if this methyl orange changes this particular substance into yellow in color, then this particular substance given to you is a base. Clear now? So this one line will help you out. So a substance is given to that substance. Okay, so something is given, so you're just adding methyl orange to it. So if this turns to red color, it means it is indicating an acid. And if this turns to yellowish color, okay, it means it is a base. Clear? So simple it is. Okay, so our next indicator is phenolphthalein. So let me first write here. If this methyl orange is changing it into red, it's an acid. If it is changing into yellowish color, it's a base. Clear? Now phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is again one more indicator. Okay, so suppose if a substance is given to you again, okay, and if I'm adding phenolphthalein to it, okay, I'm just adding phenolphthalein to it. Okay, so now again two cases can happen. If I just add phenolphthalein to it, again two cases will happen. Okay, so what are they? It will change into pink color, pinkish color. Okay, or it may be a colorless solution. Okay, so if the substance is becoming a colorless solution, then it is acid. It means it is an acid. Okay. And if it is becoming pink color, then it means it's a base. Okay, so I have taken a solution. Into this I have added phenolphthalein. So if this becomes colorless, then it's an acid. And if this becomes pink color, pinkish, dark pink, so it's a base. Clear till here? Phenolphthalein is also clear. Okay. I hope the screen is clear now. Okay. So now the next one you have already learned in your primary also. So here I'll just fill this table. Phenolphthalein, if it is acid, it is colorless. And if it is base, it is pink. Okay. Look at the next one. Litmus paper. Litmus paper. Suppose if I take a solution again. Okay. Now I'm talking about litmus paper. I have some substance. Substance here I mean is a solution basically. Okay, I'm just dipping a red litmus paper into it. What is this? Red litmus paper. Okay, this red litmus paper will remain unchanged or it will become blue. Okay, so there are two cases. It either remains unchanged or blue. Okay, when does it remain unchanged? When it is an acid. When does it turn blue? When it's a base. Okay, so now just have a look here. Red litmus paper will turn to blue in color if you are adding a base. Okay, and red litmus paper will remain red only. Okay, unchanged means it will remain red only if it is a acid. Okay, red will remain red if it is acid. Red will become blue if it is a base. Clear? The next one is blue litmus paper. Okay, blue litmus paper will remain blue if it is a base. And blue litmus paper will convert into red if it is a acid. Acid is always red. Okay, so if it is acid, then red will be red. Okay, if it is a base, then red will become blue. Okay, and blue litmus paper will change into red if it is an acid. Acid means red, so blue has to change to red. And blue will remain blue if it is in base. Clear? So these are the four indicators which you have to learn: methyl orange, phenolphthalein, red litmus paper and blue litmus paper, and I hope all these four are clear to you. Okay, so red is remaining unchanged in acid and it is becoming blue in color in base, and blue is remaining blue becomes red in acid and it remains unchanged in base. Okay, so this you are getting it as a case study as a part of your 4-marker question. So please don't neglect this particular question. Okay, and I have given you a brief of this. So along with this pH scale also they are asking you. pH scale will tell you whether a substance is acidic, basic or what. Okay, so you just remember 0 to 14. Okay, pH scale has variations from 0 to 14. If it is from 0 to 6, I can say it is acidic in nature. 7 is neutral. Okay, again 7 to 14, slowly the basic nature increases. Clear? So they may ask a question like this. The pH of, there is an element X. The pH of this element X is 3. Okay, there's a substance X, the pH of it is 3. Now I'm adding methyl orange to this. So methyl orange changes to which color? So pH 3 means it is acidic. So this is how you have to answer. pH 3 means acidic. Teacher told here it is acidic, here it is base and this is neutral. pH 3 means acidic. So if I add methyl orange to acidic, it will turn to red in color. Simple. So this is how questions are framed. Clear? So you will have to be very careful with this type of case-based question. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you and I have covered one question, 4-marker question within a very short period of time. So this type of series will repeat and next I will tell you about ray diagram. So keep watching and share this to all your friends as well and do comment and let me know your feedback so that I can continue with the classes. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.